Enjoy better tasting water. The F1000 filter is designed to reduce particulates and the unpleasant taste and smell that chlorine adds to tap water. Quick and easy replacement. The F1000 replacement cartridge, designed to last up to 6 months, also works with the InSinkErator F2000S filtration system. It's fast and easy to switch out, too. Just a simple twist is all that it takes. Health, taste and sustainability. Filtered tap water optimizes health, saves money on bottled water, and helps manage the global volume of discarded plastic bottles. Designed for exclusive use with InSinkErator water dispensing systems. Faster, cleaner, smarter. From meal prep to cleanup, InSinkErator helps make it fast and easy to keep your kitchen clean with our iconic appliances, garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers. A history of innovation for the sink. We invented garbage disposals in 1927, and we're the world's largest manufacturer of garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers for home and commercial use. The InSinkErator F1000 Replacement Water Filter Cartridge, 1 pack, keeps your water tasting clean by reducing particulates, chlorine taste and odor. This under-sink water filter is for use with the F1000S and F2000S water filtration system, designed specifically for InSinkErator instant hot water dispensers. Top reviews from the United States. The InSinkErator filter system is a great product. I live in Seattle and we have 5-star water. However, at certain times of the years the city adds chlorine, which definitely changes the flavor character of the water. With this filter, that issue 100% gone. Another nice aspect is when you go to change the filter, you do not have to turn the water valve off before doing so, because at less than 1/4 turn it automatically cuts the water off. It only spits out a few micro drops. Same goes when installing a new filter. Over many years I've used more than just a few filter systems. InSinkErator seems to meet all my requirements.